References. At the end of your paper, you will have your reference list. This is formatted correctly in the APA 7th edition template in the Student Success Center that we have been using as an example. Note how the second line and any following lines of each citation in the reference list are indented 0.5 inches. This is called a hanging indentation. Let's take a look at how the reference page is formatted. The first thing you should notice is that the references are listed in alphabetical order by the author's last name. In some cases, when there is no personal author, the name of the organization responsible for the source is used as the author. While all references include the same basic information, each type of source is formatted slightly differently. The last citation, Holland and Forrest, is for the book we quoted from earlier. The citation includes the author's last names, followed by their initials, the publication year in parentheses, the title of the book in sentence case and italics, and the name of the publisher. Even though this book came from the library's ebook collection, because it does not have a DOI or digital object identifier, the reference is written the same as if it were a print book. The reference to the publication manual is also a book, but it does have a DOI, so the DOI is at the end. Next, we'll look at the fourth reference, which is for a journal article by Copeland and others. This article has 4 authors and all are listed. The publication year follows in parentheses, then the title of the article. 2 items when referencing a journal article are always in italics, the journal title and the volume number. If there is an issue number, it will follow the journal volume in parentheses. The page numbers come next. At the end of this particular reference is a DOI. Not all articles or books have DOIs, but if you use a source in your paper and it has a DOI, be sure to include this in your reference. It should be formatted just as shown in the example. The final reference we will look at are for a document or web page found on an organization website, the American Nurses Association and the Center for Substance Abuse Treatment. Examples. Notice that these references do not have a personal author. Instead, the department or organization that is responsible for the information is listed as the author. Following the author is the publication year in parentheses and the title of the document found on the website in italics. The first example then ends with a direct link to the source, as the web page author and the website's owner are the same. The second example includes 2 additional pieces of information before the link, a publication number and the name of the overall government agencies responsible for the document. Not all documents found online will include publication numbers. But if you use a source that includes this information, it should be included in the reference. These 2 pieces of information about this source can be clearly seen on the web page for this source, so we know to include them. There is more information about different source types and how to cite them on the APA-style website and the GCU Library's Citing Sources and APA Guide. Links are provided in the Additional Resources section.